In today's video, we are going to show you how to easily add cards in Milanote to organize your ideas, notes, and projects. Let's begin. Now, first, open the board where you want to add your cards. Now, this board is where all your notes, links, images, and to-dos will live. So for you to be able to add cards here, go to the left side panel of the dashboard. You have notes, link, to do, and a lot more. So these are considered cards. So just choose from any of the following. For example, we are going to choose add an image. Click on it. Okay. As you can see, you can simply click add cards. It's super simple. All I have to do is drag and drop it here. Or if you want, you can upload your own. It's super simple. Click upload an image, and there you have it. Now, as you can see, when you choose the type of card you want, since we have chosen an image, you just have to provide some content in it. So if you want to add, say for example, a note, just drag it here and provide some information for that specific cards. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to add cards in Milanote. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.